G'day, Matt from AudioVisualAustralia. Here to talk to you today about OPENAUDIO and the HOLOWHAS series of amplifiers. There's a total of 6 in the range, 5 of which are multi-room, and the other one is a home theatre amp covering 10.4.6, but I'll get to that in a little bit. The various features throughout the HOLOWHAS series, which ranges from the HOLOWHAS, which is the entry-level model, right through to the HOLOWHAS Max, which is the top of the range, is that they all have 8x8 streaming. So think of it as an 8x8 audio matrix that allows you to do Spotify Connect, Qobuz, AirPlay, and on some of the models, HDMI, optical and RCA inputs as well. The first unit in the range, which is not this one that I have in front of me here, it's the base model, the HOLOWHAS. It has 8 zones of audio. It has 8 streaming zones, and it has 60 watts per channel at 8 ohms, a total of 960 watts. Perfect for smaller houses, cafes, restaurants that don't require a HDMI input or a sub output. The next in the range is the HOLOWHAS Ultra, which has all of those other features. So 8 zones of audio, 8 zones of streaming, 60 watts per channel, 960 watts total, but it also has the features that you see on the back of this unit, which is the HDMI ARC, the USB optical and RCA inputs. And the line out on this is able to be used as a subwoofer, which makes this, the second unit, the HOLOWHAS Ultra, perfect for pubs and clubs as well as home, allowing for a sub output, but also allowing you to stream what's on the TV through multiple outputs. The next model in the range, in the 60 watt range, is the HOLOWHAS Ultra GC, which is everything the last unit had. So 8 zones of audio, 8 streaming zones, 60 watts per channel, 8 zones of optional Google Cast. So with the standard model, you don't get Google Cast, you get all the other ones. With the HOLOWHAS Ultra GC, you also get the 8 Google Cast zones, and then the line out's able to be used as well. And then we step up in the range to this unit here. So this unit is the HOLOWHAS Plus, which has all of the other features. 8 zones of audio, 8 streaming zones, 100 watts per channel at 8 ohms. So instead of the 960 watts, we're now at 1600 watts. And the added benefits of the HDMI ARC, USB, optical, and RCA inputs, and the line out being able to be used as a sub. The next one in the range is the HOLOWHAS Ultra GC, which has all of those features that I just talked about. 8 zones of audio, 8 zones of streaming, 100 watts per channel, 1600 watts total, but now adds 8 streaming zones of Google Chromecast on top of that as well. So during the editing process, we realised that one of us forgot to include the top of the range model in the list of models available. So the HOLOWHAS Max, which is the top of the range, still has 8 zones of streaming, 8 zones of output, but now we have available to us a total of 200 watts per channel. If you want to drive longer runs, if you want to drive bigger speakers, if you want to fill the spaces with more volume, then this is the model that you're looking for. It still has all the same bass features, still has all the same outputs on the back, but obviously it's just a much more powerful amplifier, allowing you to drive more sound. Now we can go back to the original programming, whereby we go to the 10.4.6. And then the final addition of the range, which is the home theatre, is the AVR 1046 or ZIP 1046, which, as its name suggests, is a very capable 10.4.6 Atmos amplifier. That is 100 watts a channel. It's an awesome machine. It uses inbuilt HDMI EARC, which is able to process Dolby Atmos and AMF Eclipser in both Dolby Digital Plus and Dolby True HD formats, and it's all done on board, obviously. You can even choose to use the amp in like 5.1, 7.1, 7.1.2, 9.1.6, for example, or any combination, and leaving the unused channels as your multi-room for the rest of your house. As you can see, the OPENAUDIO range and the HOLOWHAS range specifically has all of your multi-room needs covered, as well as your home theatre needs if you want those. I'm Matt from AudioVisualAustralia, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out at avoz.com.au.